We're here to protect the places the world relies on most. People have been doing things in a pretty antiquated way, and we're trying our best to really reinvent and reimagine how people are getting stuff done in the workplace.
In today's environment, companies rely upon third parties to come into their buildings for all kinds of reasons. Those are their customers, their most valued partners, and even the companies that come in just to keep the lights on.
There's so much going on in the physical world and also in the software world. Merging the two together really makes this all-encompassing view of the security posture of a company. From the people, where they're moving, from the access control, the camera systems, to the visitors, the vendors, even the employees.
Every single one of those is a touch point that creates both an opportunity to make an impression and a risk for the business.
Compliance risk, fines, data loss, secrets loss, that, depending on the company, there could even be international incidents based on people coming in and getting stuff that they should not have access to.
And there's reputational damage to these businesses as well. They have an extremely important VIP types of customers, partners, and other folks coming to visit them in their locations. Those folks have to have an excellent experience.
There are real risks that these companies are trying to protect against. It is a complex product, and we are serving a complex need.
At Saronic, we build autonomous boats. I protect people, places, and assets. So our facilities, our employees, our boats, and everything within our offices. Envoy allows us to manage our visitor process. It also allows us to know where our people are, where they're sitting, where they're assigned, what's going on in our buildings, and making sure that we are in compliance with requirements we have for screening our visitors. There's always a new challenge and a new thing that needs protection or security advice. I absolutely love that Envoy listens to their customers.
It really is about, at the end of the day, communication. The code writing is a part of it, but at the end of the day, it's your ability to step into the shoes of the person using the software, deriving value from it.
If you've worked in a workplace, you've done a fire drill, you've maybe had a real fire where you've had to evacuate. We all have had these moments. Having accurate accountability and the confidence that your emergency response is going to do exactly what you want without a lot of manual effort and guesswork. Being able to build something that makes that experience better is very inspiring.
What's great about Envoy is we're just unifying all of the information about the people, the spaces, and the data into one platform and made really, really accessible to everybody.
We have integrations with literally hundreds of other partner technologies, from background screenings to ID scanning to access control systems to make sure that the safeguards and security measures are in place.
We want to partner with market leaders that have a great reputation and can actually up-level the Brivo security suite, and that's exactly why we've chosen Envoy. Envoy replaces what was previously a Brivo-hosted visitor management solution. So when you hear Brivo Security Suite now and somebody is talking about the Brivo Visitor Management, it's only ever going to be powered by Envoy.
Customers trust Envoy for the security and the operations of their businesses. And these companies have a lot of compliance needs and liabilities and regulatory needs, so they trust us to make sure every last checkbox is checked.
If we done this right, our product should feel invisible, should be behind the scene, and empower people to do their job in their day-to-day. But when they need us, we are right there.
Everyone at Envoy cares so deeply about the impact that they're making on the world and on this product.
We started with just the entrance of the building, and today we're operating floors, every door, every entrance, every aspect of operations all around the world, just some of the biggest companies in the world. We've been so excited to get in more of the workplace, more customers with more stringent needs too. So I've just been super motivated. We can solve those and go far beyond what exists out there already. At the end of the day, the people using the products is going to be the humans. And we got to make sure we do a really good job in making stuff really easy and reliable and effective for them.